In this video, I will show you how to order a physical Amazon gift card. To do this, go and open up Amazon, and what you want to do is just click on gift cards from the menu right here. Then from there, if you scroll down a bit, you can then click Amazon gift cards, so go and click shop now right there. And then from there you have two options. You have e-gift cards, which is not what you want to do if you want to get a physical one. If you do want to have a physical card, then select physical gift card. Then from there you have quite a few options for a type of gift card that you can get. So for example, a happy birthday card or some sort of a gift card box or an envelope. Now I'll go for the box, for example. And then from there you can select what type of a box you want. So I'll just take the classic black gift box. Then for me right now, I'm on the US Amazon and my location is set to the Netherlands. So for me, it says it cannot be shipped. But if you have it set to your country and your location, then from there you can then choose how much you want to put on it. And that's the amount that you need to pay for it. And then it will be shipped out to the address that you want to ship it out to. So that's how to order a physical Amazon gift card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.